Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Lien search workflow with Kroll Lien Solutions, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Kroll Lien Solutions website using your preferred web browser. Once the home page loads, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Type Lien search workflow into the search bar and press enter. Browse through the search results to find the relevant link. Click on the link to access the detailed guide page. On this page, look for the download button, typically highlighted for visibility. Click the download button to initiate the download process. If prompted, choose a destination folder on your computer where you would like to save the file. After selecting the folder, click Save to start the download. Wait for the download to complete, which may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the download is finished, navigate to the folder where you saved the file. Locate the downloaded Lien search workflow document. Double-click on the file to open it. Review the contents of the document to ensure it meets your needs. If needed, print the document for physical reference. Now, you can begin utilizing the Lien search workflow as per the guidelines provided. For any issues, consult the help section on the Kroll Lien Solutions website for further assistance. Make sure to stay updated with any changes or new features related to the Lien search workflow available on the site. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.